Ciao everybody, Randy Van Dynen here, and I want to invite you to an unforgettable experience this October. Okay, here it is. It's you, it's me, and we're in one of the most fascinating photogenic cities in the world, incredible Rome, Italy. We're here for a 6-day hands-on photography workshop, and it's going to be awesome. Imagine standing in front of the Roman Colosseum and capturing it in the morning light, photographing the Roman Forum at sunset, and then capturing incredible images in the interior of St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City. We're going to shoot a lot, we're going to learn a lot, we're going to do a lot of post-processing, and we're going to eat a lot. It's going to be incredible. We will be photographing amazing locations that few photographers even know about. We'll be hitting all my favorites in Rome, and during the workshop we'll be seeing all the fountains, the architecture, the history, the statues, and the gardens. Rome literally has it all. Did I mention the food? Yes, there's amazing food as well, and we'll be having plenty of it. It's going to be a pasta overload, and I would imagine a glass or two of wine. During the workshop, we'll be getting up early, staying up late, shooting sunrises and sunsets, and then we'll be in the classroom in the afternoons. This is a very special workshop, and we wanted to keep it intimate, so it's limited to 7 people, and I want you to be one of them. It's going to be an unforgettably epic experience, and you've just got to be there. You're going to come home with some amazing images. You're going to learn a lot and new techniques. You're going to make new friends, and you're going to have the best time of your life. So come and join me for a travel photography workshop capturing the internal city of Rome. The workshop is October 11th through the 16th, 2025. Remember, space is very limited, so if you want to capture the heart of Rome, go reserve your seat right now, click on the link below, sign up, and then I'll be seeing you in Rome, Italy. Arrivederci.